Hello dear students, today we are going to do the revision of chapter 3rd, Save Life, Donate Blood. So here in this chapter, as we all know that blood is the most important thing in our body. Without blood we cannot survive, okay? And the food that we take, it transforms into blood, and blood is a life-giving substance, okay? The ability is a gift of God to every human being. Why this is said that this ability is gift of God to all the human being? Because each and every person, each and every human being has blood in his body, and we can donate the blood to the needy person who need the blood, okay? So it is a gift of God that we when we eat the food, our food is transformed into blood. And if the needy person, if we want to give the blood to the needy person, we can donate the blood, and within 2 or 3 months we will regain the blood again, okay, by having a good diet. Then in this chapter it is explained that we must donate the blood to the needy person. And there are blood banks also to if we want to give blood, we can give it to the blood banks also, and to our dear and near ones, those who need the blood, okay? And here you can see within the age of 18 to 60 years we can donate blood, and it will regain, the blood will regain, it will come again within 3 months, okay, by having good diet. And the person who is donating the blood should have at least 45 kg in weight. He should be at least 45 kg, okay, in weight. Then the blood which is taken from the body is replaced by nature within 3 weeks, okay, this I have already told you. Then human being is a walking blood bank, means it has blood in its body, and we walk along with the blood in our body, okay? We can donate any time when needed. Then the color of the blood of every person is red. It is not yellow, white and brown, it is red in color, we all know that, okay? And this nature's way of saying that all human beings are one, it means all human beings are one. Only the human being has made these caste, creed, okay? Then donating blood is a good deed, है ना? You all know that. And donate blood to save a life is a moral duty. It means when we donate a blood, we are doing a good deed, okay? It is the deed for God, means we are helping someone, that means we are helping God. Then the Bible says, do to others what you would like others to do for you, okay? It means if you want that somebody should help you in need, then you have to help others, then only the person will help you. Because if we don't help to anyone, we will not get any help from others also, okay? So we have to help others, then only we will get help from them, okay? Then so be prepared to donate blood to help others, as you may want someone to donate blood to you, okay? The same thing when you are in need. So here is a picture, you can see this boy is donating blood to the other person, okay, in the hospital. Then the activity exercise part, you can see here, true or false are there. The body cannot change the food into blood. False. Blood is a life-giving and life-sustaining substance. True. People are not afraid to donate blood. False. Any healthy person can donate blood. True. The color of blood of all the people are different. It is false statement, okay? Then the advance of science has extended द लाइफ स्पैन। इट मीन्स जो साइंस की जो एडवांसमेंट है उसने हमारी लाइफ को बढ़ा दिया है। एक्सटेंडेड मीन्स बढ़ाया है। ब्लड कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम वन हेल्दी पर्सन टू अनदर हेल्दी पर्सन। People do not feel weakness after donating blood. Blood is required in undergoing operation in hospitals. Donating blood to save a life is a moral duty. Okay, and some question answers are there. I am telling you, I am giving to you here. See, what has science done for the comfort of man? What has science done for the comfort of man? See, here we can see what has science done for the comfort of man. Science has done it's not clear camera, so